Hey everyone, welcome back to Tower TV. Today we have the Venom Pro Quad charger, and so we're just going to do a quick overview of this charger. This is a $263 charger. It is on Easy Pay. It charges at 7 amps, it discharges at 1 amp. That's not too high, but not a bad thing. A little instruction manual in the box. There's the charger itself. So charging at 7 amps isn't the highest. A lot of batteries out there, say a 5,000 milliamp battery, has a 3C charge rate, which means you can charge at 15 amps or up to 15 amps. I wish Venom offered a charger that was a little higher than 7, maybe 10 to 15 amp charge rate would be nice, just so you could get your batteries done quicker. And then also the discharge rate's really low. 1 amp isn't very high. So if you're trying to put your batteries back in storage mode, it's not going to discharge very quick, which is kind of a bummer, but oh well. It can charge a LiPo, a LiFi, LiPo HV, a Li-ion battery, nickel metal, and a NiCad, which is a lot of options to charge for a pretty reasonably priced charger. It does have 2 USB outputs on the back of the charger. And then the cool thing I thought with this charger is it comes with a bunch of charge leads. So there's the charge leads. So you have your power cord, and I'm just going to read off some of the stuff that it comes with. So 4 bind ports for the front of the charger. You have to connect them, of course. So here's the cords and the bind boards. It comes with a set of alligator clips. And then it comes with 2 XT60 leads. That's awesome. And then it comes with some 2 Dean's leads and then a bunch of adapters. So you've got a Dean's to EC3 adapter, and then you got a Dean's to EC5 adapter, Dean's to alligator clip adapter, Dean's to Tamiya plug, a Dean's to JST, Dean's to a receiver pack plug, and then Dean's to an HXT4 plug. So quite a lot of options for a charger that's not that expensive, like $263, like I said. It comes with a whole mess of charge leads that you can figure out what you want to do with, but pretty cool option for a charger. Make sure you check it out on towerhobbies.com. I'll leave a link down below so you can check that out, but this is a great charger to start off with. Hope you liked it.